Hey, welcome to Andy's Guides. My name's Harvey and I am the owner of this channel. I work alongside a few other team members and our goal is to create the best tutorials and guides for your needs. Together at Andy's Guides, we have a lot of experience in a range of topics from business, so things like e-commerce, all the way to gaming, and all just little intricate different topics like apps and softwares. And our main goal here is to help you learn what you need to know. So all the different problems you have, all the bug fixes, all the little errors you get, everything to do with any software, our goal is to help you solve them. Each video that we post on the channel takes a long time to create. We have to research it, voiceover, screen record, create thumbnails, create titles, all of that stuff, just so that we can help you learn what you need to know. But it's something that we're really passionate about and we enjoy doing. Now, if you want to ask us any questions, let us know down below, or if you have any topics that you'd like us to make a video on, please let us know and we'll go ahead and do that. But it's nice to meet you and I hope you enjoy the videos.